welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet. This is Taz. I just thought it might be fun to pop on here and give you a quick little tip. I have been doing this almost as long as I have been wearing wigs. It's really helped me create a little bit of a more natural looking crown appearance on my wigs. So no matter what kind of wig you have, if you have a completely open cap style wig, if you just have a lace front open cap style, if you have a lace front monofilament part, if you have a lace front full monofilament top, it seems like there's always a hump of permatease. Unless it's hand tied, there's always a little bit of a hump of permatease right there at the rear crown of the wig. Now, this is great if you want that glamorous volume look, but if you're looking for something a little more natural and everyday, not so much of a news anchor look, you might want to follow these tips. Now, I will say that Gabor has caught on to this and has made their last 3 styles in a monofilament part that actually wraps around the crown. So it looks a lot more natural. I hope they all follow suit, but until they do, here's how I remedy that situation. So what I'm wearing here is the Mane Attraction SHOWGIRL in the color Pecan. Beautiful, beautiful lace front center monofilament part. Now that monofilament part runs right to here. And you can tell where it lets off because there's a bit of a hump there, right? There's a lot of permatease in the area that serves to cover up that seam and to provide a little bit of lift at the crown. So what I do is I extend my parting space all the way back through the rear of the crown. So in this case, it's a center monofilament part that stops here. So what I do is find the parting space that I want, but then I carry it all the way back through. So I divide the hair as if that part runs all the way back behind, okay? So I extend my parting space. I divide the hair around the parting space, and then if there's permatease in the area, I can press it down with the heat of my hand. That'll shrink the permatease. It will give a little bit of a divided space here instead of just a solid hump of permatease back there. And that just gives a much more natural looking appearance, especially from the front, don't you think? Rather than seeing that solid hump, you can definitely see a valley where that part carries back through that rear crown. Now you can also enhance this in a few ways. So if you have a heat-friendly style, you could use just the flat part of the curling iron, rest it along that part just gently, and that will help to flatten the parting area. And that will help define that divide that you've created. The other thing you can do is a little bit of foundation powder if you don't have a heat-friendly wig style, or if you have some monofilament features, and you could just carry through, just use a little bit of foundation powder at the part. And again, you're going to take that back through the divide in the hair that you've created all the way back to the hind crown here, okay? And then the last thing you want to do though is once you have created your parting space, just give it a quick look from the back, get your camera or get your mirror out and just look here, just to make sure that the wefts are covered up and there's no seams exposed. You may have to situate that a bit, but ultimately I feel like this is so much more of a natural look to have that carried back through. I really hope the wig companies can catch on to this a little more and create a more natural looking crown. Not everybody likes the whole news anchor look. I enjoy permatease, don't get me wrong. In some cases, I just want to look more casual. I don't want to look done up. I don't want to look glamorous, and I don't want an unusual hump there. So, and this is easy to get it back too. Just use a squirt of water or your hand to, fluff that crown up again if you're not happy with it, or if you just want a different look. Anyway, I hope this tip was helpful to you. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you again real soon here at Taz's Wig Closet.